Dear GITEX attendee, this is Gizem from BİMSER. In the digital age, businesses need to adapt quickly, increase efficiency, and build a sustainable future. With over 27 years of experience, BİMSER is here to support you in this digital transformation. Success now relies not only on having innovative technologies, but also on using these technologies efficiently and sustainably. Wouldn't you like to be part of this ecosystem? Let us show you the advantages of joining it. You can create opportunities for recurring revenue streams through software, services, and support. Access a dedicated partner portal to manage sales activities and track progress. Plus, you have the opportunity to develop industry or process-specific solutions using BİMSER products, giving you a foothold in your market. We look forward to seeing you at our stand in the Turkish Pavilion, Hall 1, at Dubai World Trade Center, October 13th to 17th, 2025. Start your digital transformation journey with BİMSER and secure your place in the future of the business world.